Highway has officially resumed, raising hopes of improved regional connectivity and increased economic activity for communities along the corridor. The government has reaffirmed its commitment to completing the Kwasiku Mbondoni section of the Kibwezi Kitui Road after a prolonged delay. Speaking during an inspection tour, Public Health PS Mary Mudhoni said the project is part of the government's commitment to delivering on key presidential development pledges. Area Member of Parliament Charles Nguna welcomed the resumption of the works, saying his recent political alignment with the ruling party was aimed at securing critical development funding and accelerating infrastructure projects in the constituency.
Serikali inajali mtu wa hapa chini. Hii barabara ikifunguka, biashara inafunguka.
Pesa mingi, saa hii ile maintenance cost itakuwa imeteremka na tunafurahia sana juu tunawekewa lami, mambo itakuwa imenyoka na biashara itakuwa imeinuka.
And